All right, you want a quick and easy expunction, but let's talk about the costs. A lot of people think expunctions are cheap or even free, and I kind of feel that. I think probably they should be, especially if you've been hit with some BS charges. Maybe the prosecutor reject the charges very quickly and you think that there's nothing showing up on your record. That's not correct. You do still have to get an expunction, and unfortunately that does often mean paying a lawyer. And the reality is, even if you file it yourself, you're still running into court fees and other costs that can run you a few $100s. Of course, the lawyer is more expensive than that, but what you're paying for is the peace of mind to know that it's done right. There are a lot of things you can mess up if you DIY, and we're going to go into those in the next video. And listen, I agree that a lot of times expunctions should be free, but that's not the world we live in. And a lot of the purchases that I've personally made that I've regretted the most are when I've tried to save a little money and then I've had to go back and buy the more expensive thing anyway. So yeah, with a lawyer, it can be a quick and easy expunction, but if you DIY it, just don't expect it to be easy.